Generally speaking, if you don't have a specific references you are looking for, you will need to use keywords to find literature. To optimize researches so that you can find most relevant literature, it is useful to know some search tools such as Boolean operators. And is used to join two concepts so that the database knows you want both in your search result. For example, if you search for orange and apples in your research results, you will only get those articles that include both keywords. Or is used to join two or more keywords, usually synonyms or related terms for the same concept, so that the database knows you want either or both of them to be in your search results. For example, if you search for orange or apples in your research results, you will get those articles that include both keywords or at least one of them. Not is used to tell the database that you do not want this keyword or group of keywords in your search results. Like that, if you search for oranges, not apples in your search results, you will get those articles that only include the keywords oranges. Parentheses are used to join two or more keywords, usually synonyms or related terms for the same concept, so that the database knows you want either or both of them to be in your search results. The search inside the parentheses is done first. Then it is applied any statements that are not included. Whenever you join keywords with or, enclose them with parentheses. The use of parentheses in your Boolean research will customize your results to more accurately reflect your topic. Asterisk truncates a word so that you get alternate endings. For example, if you search educate asterisk, you will get results that include keywords for education, educated, educates, and so on. Quotation marks hold together the words of a phrase so that the database searches the words together instead of separately. For example, if you quote climate change for the search engine, will provide results that have the keyword climate change, rather than results that have just climate or change as separate keywords. Often, when you search for your literature, you will want to define or limit your results. Otherwise, you will get thousands of suggestions, which is not a manageable amount. That means you will want to remove certain types of search results from your list that are not useful or relevant for your research. To narrow your search, you can apply some filters to reduce the number of books or articles suggested. For example, year of publication is one filter that is available in most literature databases. Applying this filter will limit results to the range of years you choose. This can be useful if your assignment requires the most current research available. Another filter is source type, which lets you choose the type of document you wish to see in your result list, whether that means a scholarly article, review, case study, book chapter, or something else. You can specify it in your search. Sorting can also help you to find publications which are most relevant, with higher citation, or the ones that are most recently published. The literature review logic will be to consult current sources on the topic, see what the most prominent debates are, and track the development of the debate. A good stopping point is when you are not getting any new information relevant to your work. It's best not to lose track on your main research question or thesis, otherwise you might get trapped in a never-ending literature search. Avoid the pitfall of reading material that is interesting but not directly relevant to your research. Not everything that is interesting is relevant. Doing this can take up a considerable amount of your time, and it is good advice to keep it focused. While the focus is an important feature of successful literature research, this requirement has to be balanced with the need to make the literature research relevant for your paper. Although the way surgery was done in the early 20th century might sound interesting to someone writing about medicine, it will not be relevant if you want to write about the latest medical advance in surgery. Choose a place to keep and read papers, a physical folder on your desk or a virtual folder on your desktop. This folder is more than just a storage space. It should also be a reminder for you to review and read papers. Doing so, you will avoid the PDF alibi syndrome, the habit of downloading and saving PDFs in the vain hope that one day you will get around to reading them. Grey literature is often the best source of up-to-date research on certain topics like population numbers. It is easy to find recent grey literature using a simple Google search. Grey literature is information produced outside of the traditional commercial or academic publishing and distribution channels. Common grey literature includes conference abstracts, unpublished trial data, patents, presentation, government publication, policy statements, proceedings and procedures manuals, reports, regulatory data, and dissertation or thesis. Another strategy to organize your literature research is to save it into different folders, like using specific keywords related to your topic, methods, country, theory, experiment, year of publication, author, etc. Using such a method make it easier to remember what the papers you find are about. With this organization strategy, you will be able to quickly find an article already stored in your database.